Honorable members, as I had promised, we will do 2 on my right side and 2 on the minority side. Then I will put the question. Other members, I therefore put the question. Oh, yes, before we get to the question, we will have the Chair, Budget and Appropriations Committee to reply.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. And I actually rise to agree with all the members who have had a contribution to make this afternoon. I agree with the members on the right side of the Speaker, and I also agree with the members on the left side of the Speaker. I agree with the Majority Leader as much as I...
Kindly, as I said, use your cards. I will go with your cards. If you have a point of order, I need to see on my screen.
Honorable Speaker, I agree with the Majority Leader, Honorable Kimani Ichung'wah, as much as I agree with the Minority Leader, Honorable Opio, Honorable Speaker. I agree with Honorable Osoro, as much as I agree with Honorable Junet.
Member for Super North, what is out of order? Hold on, Honorable Dende.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I do apologize for the Chair of Budget, who is my chair. I don't want to interrupt him. But, Madam Speaker, I don't think it is in order for Honorable Osoro to be physically making sexually suggestive gestures in this House. He is pointing to his penis in this House while pointing at Honorable Fatuma. It is completely out of order. It is abhorrent. It is backward. Madam Speaker, it is not allowed in this House.
Order.
We don't even know whether he performs. What is he showing us here?
Order, Honorable Milly. Order, Honorable Milly. Honorable Majority Whip is not the one on the floor. If it is something out of order, it has to be something the Honorable Member for Kiharu is doing. So continue, Honorable Member for Kiharu.
Okay. Honorable Speaker.